look at her face and just zoom in. Don't worry about it. She won't be back. She's sleeping like a rock. This
is Jenny Abbott snoring.
Oh my god, oh my gosh, you blinded me, Eva. It's like blinding. I got a cramp after I ate like 2 slices of pizza and it's like DVR. Alright, stop turning anywhere. Turn it off. Bye bye, Jenny. Sorry. Give me on your nose. Here, let me say something. Let me say something.